Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Bowser costume women is probably one of the most iconic and fun choices for any fan looking to embody the powerful Koopa King, offering a unique blend of fierce villainy and playful charm that's perfect for Halloween, costume parties, or any themed event where you want to make a memorable entrance and command attention with a look that's both recognizable and surprisingly stylish, ensuring you'll be the star of any gathering. Number 5. Official Nintendo Super Mario Bowser costume for kids. Transform into the king of the Koopa with this amazing Bowser costume. Perfect for any Super Mario fan, it's time to rule the Mushroom Kingdom. This is an officially licensed Nintendo product, ensuring authentic design and quality. You'll look and feel just like the iconic villain from the Super Mario Bros. Series. The costume includes everything you need to become Bowser, from the spiky shell to the fiery mane. It's a full transformation for endless fun. Ideal for Halloween, costume parties, or just imaginative play. Let your child's adventures begin with this fantastic outfit. Designed for comfort and ease of movement, your little one can run, jump, and play all day. It's the ultimate way to bring their favorite character to life. What we like? This is the official Nintendo licensed costume, ensuring authenticity and quality. It's a complete set designed for kids, making it easy to get them into character. If you're looking for a high-quality, officially recognized Bowser costume for your child's Halloween or costume party, this is the one to choose. What people say. The Bowser costume is a fantastic choice for Halloween parties, offering a unique and recognizable character that's sure to stand out. The design of the Bowser costume is impressive, with attention to detail in the shell, spikes, and facial features, making it an authentic representation of the character. This Bowser costume is surprisingly comfortable to wear, allowing for easy movement and a good fit, which is essential for a full night of trick-or-treating or attending an event. Number 4. Disguise Men's Bowser Kit, Adult. Step into the shoes of the king of the Koopa with this iconic Bowser costume. Perfect for parties or Halloween, it's time to cause some mischief. Embrace the power of Bowser. This detailed costume brings the beloved villain to life, offering hours of imaginative play and unforgettable moments. Transform into the mighty Bowser with this all-in-one kit. It includes everything you need to embody the formidable Koopa King. Are you a fan of the Mushroom Kingdom's greatest adversary? This costume is designed for you, offering an authentic and fun representation. With this Bowser costume, you're in charge. Lead your own adventures and conquer the party in true Koopa King style. What we like? This kit is specifically designed for adults, offering a comfortable and easy-to-wear option. The material is chosen for comfort during extended wear. If you're an adult who wants to embody Bowser without a full, cumbersome suit, this kit is a great choice for parties or events. What people say. The costume is very detailed and looks just like the character. The fabric is surprisingly good quality and comfortable to wear. It fits true to size and is easy to put on and take off. Number 3. Bowser Child Costume Kit. Transform into the ultimate ruler of the Mushroom Kingdom with this Bowser Child Costume Kit. It's perfect for Halloween, parties, or any adventure where you want to command attention. Featuring the unmistakable spikes, shell, and fiery spirit of Bowser, this costume brings the beloved villain to life. Your child will love embodying their favorite character. Crafted with comfort and durability in mind, this kit allows for hours of imaginative play. It's designed to withstand epic battles and royal decrees. Getting into character is simple with this easy-to-wear costume. It's designed for quick dressing so the fun can start right away. Make this Halloween or costume party unforgettable. This Bowser Child Costume Kit is the perfect way for your little one to rule the night. What we like? This is a child-specific costume kit that focuses on the essential elements of Bowser. It's an affordable way to achieve the look without breaking the bank. If you need a budget-friendly and straightforward Bowser costume for a young child, this kit provides the key pieces. What people say. The Bowser costume is a great fit and looks just like the character. The material is comfortable and durable, perfect for a costume party. The details on the shell and spikes are well made and add to the authenticity. Number 2. Nicky Big's Novelties Bullhorns Headband Set. Get ready to charge into fun with this exciting Bullhorns headband and nose set. It's the perfect accessory for any costume party or event. This set includes everything you need to transform into a mighty bull. The headband features realistic horns, and the nose completes the look. Designed for adults, this animal costume headband is comfortable and lightweight. It's a fantastic way to add a playful touch to your outfit. Crafted by Nicky Big's Novelties, you can expect a durable and fun accessory. It's made to last through all your adventures. Whether you're dressing up as a bull or another fun animal, this headband is a versatile choice. It's a simple yet impactful costume addition. What we like? This offers a unique bull-themed costume set, perfect for those looking for something different. It includes a headband, nose, and tail for a complete animal look. If you're an adult seeking a fun, novelty costume that's easy to put on and stands out from typical character outfits, this bull set is ideal. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable, making it great for extended wear. The costume includes all the necessary accessories, like the tail and ears, for a complete look. The design is accurate to the character, with vibrant colors and attention to detail. Number 1. XIAMUSZ Anime Hoodie Pullover Sweatshirt. Step into the world of your favorite anime characters with this comfortable and stylish pullover sweatshirt. Perfect for conventions, casual wear, or just lounging at home. Designed with true anime enthusiasts in mind, this hoodie captures the essence of popular cosplay. It's the ideal way to show off your passion. Crafted from soft, durable fabric, this sweatshirt offers exceptional comfort for all-day wear. Enjoy the quality that brings your cosplay dreams to life. Whether you're attending an anime event or just heading out, this versatile piece adds a unique touch to any outfit. It's a must-have for any fan's wardrobe. Surprise the anime fan in your life with a gift that combines style, comfort, and their favorite passion. It's a present they'll truly appreciate and wear often. What we like? This option provides an anime-inspired hoodie that subtly incorporates Bowser's aesthetic. It's a comfortable pullover sweatshirt suitable for casual wear or cosplay. If you prefer a more understated and wearable cosplay that can be worn beyond just costume events, this anime hoodie is a fantastic pick. What people say. The costume is very cute and well-made, with attention to detail. The fabric is soft and comfortable to wear, even for extended periods. It fits true to size and is easy to put on and take off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.